Ooh, yeah, baby. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. Hello and welcome back to the Haunt Line, the show dedicated to SoCal haunts and events. Now, obviously, we're in a bit of a haunt lull with the holiday season right now. However, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to unbox a little goodie that I got this week. I'm talking about the Waxworks Bride of Frankenstein original soundtrack. I'm super stoked about this. The cover art looked great online, and I got it in just this week. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm very excited to dig into it. So let's take a peek. Now, right off the bat, check out this really sweet artwork they got going on this. Waxworks gets to work with a lot of different, really cool IPs, and this is just showcasing some of them. So that's why when I saw this guy, this Bride of Frankenstein special edition, I was like, well, I gotta get it for sure. Now, the Bride of Frankenstein is easily one of my favorite Universal classic horror movies. It doesn't take itself very seriously. The score is incredible, and the visuals are a lot of fun too. So I like that they're paying homage to the movie in this this vinyl release. Oh man! Ooh, yeah, baby! Look at this thing. It's beautiful. On the cover, it says, The Bride of Frankenstein, available for the first time on vinyl, the original 1935 soundtrack recording, music composed by Franz Waxman, no relation to Waxworks Records there. 180-gram colored vinyl, a 4-page booklet with liner notes, and artwork by Phantom City Creative. Well, hey, Phantom City Creative, you guys did a great job, because I mean, this artwork is just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love it. There's a good look at the front of it. The back of it's pretty cool too. The back has the two doctors alongside the bride. Super epic. Love the artwork. All right, I'm gonna slip it out of its plastic here. Now let's open this guy up. Oh, yes, yes. Look at this. Look at these two tragic lovebirds. Let me tell you, this is truly something else. I may have to hang this one up. It's awesome. I love it. And now let's check out the album itself, because the color online looked great. So now I'm excited to see it in person. Nice black sleeve, of course. Gotta love it. Ooh, look at this print on the center of the record there, on the sticker. Very, very cool. All right, let's see it. Oh man, wow. Ooh, I love it. Look at this color. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, this print is truly something else. I love it. Lots of smoky grays in there, a little bit of white mixed in. Absolutely gorgeous. So on side A, we've got 7 tracks. And on side B, we've got just 3 tracks. All right, 10 track total, not bad. Well, I'm really in love with this print. It's a gorgeous print. I'm debating whether or not I hang it up and frame it on my wall, or I just keep it in its case. Now, this did say that it came with some other goodies, so let's take a look inside, see what else we can find. Yeah, definitely see something here. Ooh, very nice. It's a little portrait of the bride. Love it. And on the back, this is kind of cool. You got the composer. That's pretty fun. I love that. So let's open this guy up. Ooh, wow. Oh, nice. This is a whole spread on the composer. Look at those cable runs. Pretty neat. Definitely for a collector of all things classic horror, this needs to be part of your collection for sure. Now, I wouldn't exactly call this a 4-page booklet. I guess there are 4 pages. However, you know, it kind of made it seem like it was more than it actually is. But awesome, really cool liner notes in here. And again, it looks great visually. Really cool. I love it. This remaster used masters from the actual 1935 film, and man, 85 years later, this thing sounds amazing. They did a great job on the remaster, and the record plays really smoothly too. And well, folks, there you have it, my unboxing and review of the Waxworks Bride of Frankenstein vinyl. The score is easily one of my favorite scores from the Universal Monsters era. Bride of Frankenstein might be my favorite classic Universal horror movie. It's a lot of fun, it's very tongue-in-cheek, and it's pretty moving too. Our boy Frankenstein, he's a sad boy. He's definitely a sad boy in this, and man, it gets me every time. And of course, the Bride of Frankenstein is incredible, although we only get to see her for a split second, but it is well worth the wait. Now, it has happened before where a Waxwork record that I wanted has sold out. I either drop the ball or I just kind of forget about it and remember it when it's too late. It happened to me with this really awesome Goosebumps record they released, and I'll never forgive myself for not buying it. And unfortunately, the Bride soundtrack is very sold out at the moment. However, Waxworks will every now and then re-release records like in a different style or a different print. So hang in there, keep your eyes out. Maybe they'll re-release the Bride of Frankenstein, and if they do, this time around, if you're a fan of the Universal Monsters, and if you're a fan of Bride of Frankenstein, you definitely need to pick up this album. It is a must-have for any fan of the classic Universal Monsters. And well, that's going to do it for this episode of The Haunt Line. Be sure and follow us on Instagram and Twitter for all the latest haunt news, including any holiday updates that we may get. Also, don't forget, you can visit us on the web for links to all of our stuff, and you can download our podcast wherever you download your podcasts. And until the next time, thank you for calling The Haunt Line.